Hello everyone, it's Linda from Forming Studio. Welcome back to the channel. I'm back with just a flip through of my guest design team project for Cara Brandon Creations. I've used the Nature's Palette kit and I did do a flip through in my last video, so but these are some of the pages. Just show you a couple of the main pages. Okie dokie. These are the background pages. And what I did was actually print my pages out half size, and that made them perfect to fit in the journal. So it's ended up as an A6 journal, and that actually measures about 4 inches by 5.5. So you could follow the instructions in my last video with US letter paper and it would work out pretty well for you as well. So let me show you the finished item. I have got it tied up with a little bit of this torn material, and I have got a little butterfly charm on it, so we'll take that off. It's just on with a bulb pin, and then here's my fabric. And now this is a strip from one of those, you know, the quilter's jelly rolls. I found if you take those and tear them in half, you get a kind of nice kind of tatty ribbon, and the colours were just, I thought, absolutely perfect for this, so that's what I did. And I've just reinforce the spine a little bit with some Tim Holtz linen tape, and then all I've got on the front here is a wee label that says flowers and feathers, because this kit is all about flowers, birds and there's butterflies, and I've also added in a fair few butterflies from one of Cara's other kits. I think it's the rainbow collage kit. Lots and lots of pretty things in that, and then I will have added in, you know, the usual bits of ephemera that I keep on my desk, so, you know, Tracy labels and that kind of thing, and some stamps. Anyway, that's the front cover, and then inside the front cover I've just got a torn strip of paper, a stamp with some rather cool toadstools on it, and a label, and then I've got a pocket that I made extra to the journal here, and 2 journaling cards. And I always decorate the back of my journaling cards, even if it's only just something simple like a piece of torn paper, but I just think it looks nicer than just a completely plain back. So those 2 live in there, and then the actual structure of the journal had 2 top pockets and 2 side pockets. So this is the journal card that I've made to go into the first top pocket. It's a little bit snug, that's probably because I made it by eye and didn't measure it. So on this page all I've done is just a bit of decorating, you know, a bit from the kit, some items that I had already pre-stamped out, and then this, it says "Laughter's the closest distance between 2 people," from an ancient card making kit from donkeys years ago. But everything comes in. So I've made another pocket here. It's just decorated simply with a bit of torn paper and a stamp. 2 more little journaling cards. Such pretty colours, aren't they? And I've just decorated the backs of those again. So I keep all the strips of paper from my kits and scrapbook paper, and I just tear it up then to decorate with. This is the journaling card in this side pocket, and this was made from a piece of the collage paper in the kit. So I used the journaling cards that were in the kit, and then I also used bits of the pages to make a few extras. I haven't really used the tags, to be honest. So over we go. All I've done with this page is add that label and that butterfly. I've made another pocket here, again just a little strip of paper, a couple of labels, and a couple more pretty journaling cards. There's their backs. They live in there. And then this is the other side pocket that's integral to the journal, and this is a piece from the paper again. So that one lives there. In you go. And then here I've just made a wee tuck spot. This is a piece of ephemera from the kit which I've just put a butterfly on, and this one, actually I feel like I need to do something else with this, but I'm not sure quite what yet, so I kind of just have left that one for a bit of thinking. This page again was so pretty. All I've done is add these 2 butterflies, and I think I've cut them from I think it's the rainbow palette or something like that. One of Cara's kits that just had all the colours of the rainbow in tags and all that. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So I use that quite regularly for bits of ephemera. I've got another, oh, hang on, where is it? Pocket here. And that's that little card. And then we're on the, pretty much on the back page. Oh, that one doesn't want to go in. Here we go. Yeah, we're here at the back page now. So this one again, I've just decorated very simply. Butterfly label strip of paper, made another pocket here, and then I've got two journaling cards here, and these two, the images are not from the kit, they just were in my, you know, yellow and green department, and I liked them, so I've put them in. So the journal itself had two top pockets and two side pockets built into it, and then I've made another, I think four pockets and that tuck spot. So that gives me 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 separate pieces of ephemera in there, all of which, you know, give you space to write, jot some notes down and all the rest of it. So I'm quite pleased with that. If you fancy giving it a go, what I'll do is put a link to the last video down below so you can follow through the instructions if you so wish. So all that remains is for me to say a huge thank you to Cara for trusting me to be her guest designer this month, and a huge thank you to you for watching. So that's me. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.